Hi, in this video we are going to see the university recruitments guys regarding the assistant professor, associate as well as the professor. So I think it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the assistant professor vacancies with only post graduation in the private as well as the government universities. Why? Because here total 4 universities recruitment notifications I am going to show you. So out of this one, few universities are offering the only post graduation for the assistant professor vacancies, and the salary is 62,547 rupees per month. So please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the faculty job notifications in this pandemic situation. It will be really helpful to them guys. And here the interview is also online interview, so you need not to go to the college physically and attending the interview. These things are not necessary. By simply sitting in your home itself, okay, you can attend the interview guys. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding all the 4 universities recruitment notification. To the present content of the video. So out of the 4 universities, the first one we are going to see here is the Chhattisgarh Swami Vivekananda Technical University. So it is a state government owned. Fine. So in this one, applications are invited for online interview for the post of temporary faculty in the various departments of University Teaching Department, CSVTU, Bhilai. And here this notification released on July 7th, 2021 regarding the advertisement for online interview. And applications are invited from candidates for appearing in online interview for the post of temporary faculty in various departments in the university on a monthly consolidated honorarium basis for the period of 6 months. Right? And here the application fee is a little bit high guys. Okay, it is 3,000 rupees for general and OBC category, and coming to the 1,000 rupees for SC/ST category. And coming to the number of posts and the designation and the department, the essential qualification and the desirable qualification. So each and everything mentioned in this table, so you may check down. So coming to the departments, biomedical engineering and bioinformatics, energy and environmental engineering, microelectronics and VLSI, environmental and water resource engineering, department of structural engineering, and department of urban planning. So in each and every department, three vacancies are there for the assistant professor category. And the essential qualification is graduation and the post graduation. Both these two are required, yes. That means BE or BTech and ME or MTech. So coming to the PhD or the relevant experience comes under the desirable. That means whoever finished the post graduation in these respective departments, and if you are a fresher, then no problem, you can apply this. And here the age limit is a 60 years maximum age limit. Consolidated emoluments is 62,547 rupees per month. Okay. And the last date for filling up of the online application form with fee and uploading the documents to sustain their educational qualification, experience, caste, etc. and single PDF you have to send guys, and the last date is July 15th, 2021. And application will accept only after the verification of fee received, and application fee can be paid through the NEFT and other online modes in the below given account details. So here the account details are provided. Okay, so to that one you have to send guys. That means below means here you may check down. Okay, first register yourself by clicking on the register here. After successful registration, log in with your ID and password. After login, the form will open for filling, and then you have to what we call you can pay the application fee. Okay, application fee is a little bit high guys, 3,000 rupees and 1,000 rupees. So please check out that one, and here the contact number as well as the mail IDs are also provided. So if you are having any queries regarding this recruitment notification, you may contact or you may mail. Fine. So here the registration purpose and the form filling purpose, each and everything is there here. If you are having any problem in filling up of the application form, here the tutorial is also kept how to apply. So go to this one and then start applying this. Fine. So it is the first university that I want to show you. And the next university is the Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad University of Technology from West Bengal. So actually here different vacancies are there guys, okay, that you may apply if you are having the PhD, but I will show you for the PG also, don't worry. So here the director, professor in biotechnology, bioinformatics, computer science and engineering. So professor, associate professor vacancies are there here. So if you're having the PhD, then you may look at this one. And here the assistant professor IT and the assistant professor of food science and technology is there. So coming to the IT, they are asking, assistant professor IT also they are asking the PhD qualification. But while coming to the food science and technology, they are asking the post graduation, and PhD is desirable. So if you are the candidate belongs to food science and technology, why? Because previously I got few comments to post the recruitments regarding the food science and technology. So for your purpose, I am showing this one. So this notification came on July 8th. Okay. So assistant professor in food technology. Yeah, just wait a minute, guys. I think, yeah. So click on the download file, and then you will get here in the Department of Information Technology. So PhD is required, but while coming to the Department of Food Science and Technology, MTech in Food Technology or MS in Food Science and Technology with first class or equivalent and good academic record in all preceding degrees with at least 2 years of teaching or research or industrial experience is a preferred. Okay, that means experience they are asking as a preferred, and in the desirable they mentioned the PhD. So even though if you are having the MTech or the post graduation in the food science and technology, you may apply this. And here the application last date is the 31st July 2021. Okay, so if you want to apply, then here you have to click on the apply here. Fine. So I will provide all the necessary links in the description box of this video, so don't worry, guys. And coming to the third one, so it is a Jaipur National University. So in this Jaipur National University, under the careers block, so applications are invited for the exam cell AR or DR, and applications are invited for the deputy registrar and the assistant registrar. July 31st is the last date. And here postgraduate or graduate with 5 to 7 years of experience in the reputed university with communication skills and the computing skills. That means whatever the post graduation you might be, whatever the graduation you might be, 5 to 7 years of relevant experience must be there. Then you can apply for the deputy registrar or the assistant registrar. The last date is 31st July 2021. And application are invited for the admission counselor. The last date is 31st July. So here the graduate with 3 to 5 years of experience with good communication skills. And applications are invited for the CA and senior accounts. So your master's degree in accounting with 5 years of experience in a reputed university with good communication skills. And applications are invited for the IT manager. So master's degree in relevant field with 2 to 5 years of experience in the reputed university. So like that, you may check down all these vacancies here, guys. And here you may check down the associate professor and assistant professor vacancies also. Okay. And here, yeah, just wait a minute, guys. Yeah. So associate professor minimum 5 years of experience and assistant professor minimum 2 years of experience must be there. So the subjects here are education, mathematics, life science, biotechnology, microbiology, chemistry, engineering, biotechnology, food technology, chemical and allied health sciences, okay, forensic science, medical imaging technology and medical lab technology. Okay, so different subjects are there, you may check down, guys. Experience and salary as per the UGS or AICTE norms, net qualified or PhD will be preferred. That means they are not asking it is mandatory. Even though if you are a PG fresh, PG with minimum 2 years of experience, you may apply for the assistant professor category. UGS net qualification, the PhD qualification, they are telling that it's a preferred. Okay. So like that, in the life science department and in the engineering department and in the allied health science department, in all the different departments here, the vacancies are there for the assistant professor as well as associate professor category, guys. So you may check out for the in the National Jaipur National University. And while coming to the next one, it is Navarachna University. So from this one, assistant professor vacancies and the teaching associate vacancy, professor and assistant and associate professor vacancies are there in this respective departments. So while coming to the computer science, the qualification candidate should be MTech or ME or else MCA or else equivalent with minimum first class and good academic record. Candidate must have completed a PhD or have submitted synopsis, but the candidates without PhD also, but if you qualified for the set or not, you can apply, no problem. Okay. And the last date of application is July 14th, 2021. And while coming to the teaching associate in computer science, so participating in design, administration and monitoring the academic courses under the guidance of associated assistant or the associate professor or the professor. Okay, qualification MTech or MSc is required, and the candidates who have qualified the set or net will be given preference. That means with only PG also you can apply for this one. Okay, the last date is July 14th. So like that, you may check down the journalism and mass communication and the professor category in the computer science and engineering. Okay, so total these are the 7 different universities, guys. Okay, as I shown you the complete thing. One is the Jaipur National University. huge number of vacancies and huge departments are there. Next one is Navarachna University, and next one is Chhattisgarh Swami Vivekananda Technical University, state government. And coming to the next one is Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad University of Technology. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay. And from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month, 2,900, and for 3 months, 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month, And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail, by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.